Away ka troket klinker kebadan ya registration number NL not away AG R not arsan hakastep ar penyotrik nailar kelalit bentenra ya kekenro guard wall bat kela syarut kesurok ba NH6 halat mukla hajan kepung Thadlaskein. La ban kedau ba kani kadai kajuk jaka kabalajia kajingata khu kali kabalawan ra kajingdo no ya ar kimen simbriu kentup away uklung arsnem bat away usamla. Ya unongnya jong katrok utel miu shooting arkusan snem na nong latem lapen kit no syayalong civil hospital banyo ya kajing sumar namar kajing mensaw hakakli kat ba unong bud rihana rambai arpulai na mulang ulam mensaw malumala. Ka kubor kaya thu ba unongnya jong kate katrok ba warna liang juwai ulapen hairstyle ba ya katrok ba letin ra ya kate ka guard wall.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.